Water, water, and more water. What's up, 23% Nation? It is Coach D, of course, of the 23% Challenge. And guys, today we're going to talk a lot about water. Now, if you've been following the series of nutrition videos that I produced, we know that during the 23% challenge, it is very important that we consume adequate amounts of water. As a matter of fact, water is the only fluid or beverage that you are allowed to consume during the 23% challenge. Now, I've given many reasons as to why you should do that. And in those reasons, we talk about the different benefits of water. In one of the previous videos, I think I gave you about 20 different benefits of drinking water. So the aim of this particular video is to only talk about one of those benefits. And then I want to tell you why. Okay? So guys, let's go ahead and dive right in. So the title of this particular video is water. Yes, it helps you lose weight. Now, in particular, we want to make sure that we know that we're talking about body fat. So guys, yes, water does help you lose body fat. All right, so now let's discuss 3 reasons as to how water helps you lose weight, i.e. body fat. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right in. First up, we need to understand that water burns more calories. Now, how in the world does water do that? Well, let's look at it this way. You can consume your water cold, or you can drink it warm, or perhaps you can drink it hot. All right? Now, if you are interested in losing body fat, you want to drink your water cold. Ideally, ice cold. Okay? Now, the reason is because once water goes inside of the body, well, the body has to then heat up the water, you see? So whenever the body has to heat up the water, that means that the body has to use energy in order to do that. So all that simply means is that whenever we drink cold water, particularly ice cold water, then the body has to burn calories in order to raise the temperature of the water. That's it, guys. So that in and of itself can help you burn body fat. All right, I hope you got it. Okay, next how is that water helps to reduce our appetite. But now the question is, should I drink water before I eat, while I'm eating, or after I eat? Well, let's talk about it. You see, guys, when it comes to the human stomach, and actually most stomachs of most animals, we have, shall we say, sensors and receptors, right? We have basically the stomach lets you know how full it is, okay, because of our density and our stress receptors. So here's a cool thing about how water helps to reduce our appetite. Understand this, that if you consume water before you eat, and notice that the key word is before, that actually adds bulk and weight to the stomach. Whenever we activate our density and our stress receptors, all that does is it sends a signal to our brain to let our brain know that we are becoming more full. So the more full you are, the less likely you are able to eat a lot of food. You see how that works out? So drinking water before you eat does help to reduce your appetite. Why? Because you are activating your density and sensory receptors in your stomach. Okay, I hope you got that. Now, let's talk about drinking while you're eating and after you're eating. Honestly and truly, guys, in order to help digest our food, our stomach manufactures and releases a substance called hydrochloric acid. Now, this particular substance is very acidic. Basically, it helps to liquefy our food. Now, here's the thing. If you drink water while you're eating or even after you eat, unfortunately, the water helps to dilute the hydrochloric acid, thus rendering it less effective at liquefying your meals. So if you can, try not to drink while you're eating, and also postpone any type of beverage, specifically water, even after you drink. So how does water reduce our appetite? Once again, water reduces our appetite when we drink it before we eat by simply adding weight and bulk to the stomach. Therefore, you probably don't want to eat as much as you'd like to. Okay, so I hope that helps you out just a little bit. Okay, and our third reason, water reduces calorie intake. That's right, guys. Believe it or not, water, although it is essential, okay, it contains 0 calories. That's right, guys. Water has absolutely no calories. However, when we drink fruit juices, when we drink sodas, unfortunately, those types of beverages contain a lot of carbohydrates, which yield approximately 4 calories per gram. You see? So the more sugar that you take in, whether it's through a soda or through a fruit juice, then unfortunately that raises your caloric intake. However, when you only consume water, then you're not putting any extra calories in your body. So you see, guys, that's how water helps to reduce our calorie intake. Again, water offers 0 calories. All right. Okay. So coach, I get it, right? It helps to suppress my appetite. It helps my body burn more calories. But now the bigger question that I'm concerned with is how much water should I drink? Okay. Well, guys, don't fret. Remember, Coach D is here to help. So check it out. Look at what I found. Okay. This is a simple mathematical equation that anybody can do in order to determine how much water they should consume. So here is the formula. Look at it. You divide your body weight in pounds by the number 2, and that'll let you know how many fluid ounces of water you should consume on a daily basis. Now, let's take Coach D for instance. Currently, I'm around 200 pounds. I may be a little less, all right, but let's just round it off to 200. So what that means is I divide 200 by 2, which gives me the number 100. And so that number 100 is the amount of fluid ounces I should consume on a daily basis. Now, obviously, if you don't weigh 200 pounds, then you're going to drink less. If you weigh more than 200 pounds, you'll simply drink more. But guys, that is a very easy math equation that most of us can use very quickly. Now, if you do not like math, that's okay. Here is a golden rule to go by. A for 1 gallon. That's right, guys. If you do not care for math and you don't want to sit down with a pen and a pencil and a piece of paper and do a lot of thinking, then just simply go by the golden rule, which is to simply try to consume at least 1 whole gallon of water per day. If you can get down a gallon of water per day, you are definitely on your way to becoming a major 23% challenge winner. All right, so guys, I hope that addresses your question as to how much water I should be drinking. Okay, the 23% challenge is live on Udemy, guys. That's right, Udemy. So please go check it out. We are waiting on you. All right. I want to thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, please subscribe. I want to know your thoughts, share your feelings. Remember, Coach D has an inquiring mind. I want to know. All right. So I want to give everybody a big thank you with a big hug and, of course, a big heart. And our question of the day, that's right, guys. You know Coach D loves to ask questions, right? So do you think water can help you lose weight? That's all I'm asking. So it's either a yes or a no. You may be offering sometimes, maybe, I'm not sure. But do you think that by consuming more water, that'll help you lose weight? That's all I want to know. Hopefully the answer is yes. Okay, guys, this is Coach D of the 23% Challenge, and I am signing out. Be blessed. I love you.